folks, this is your channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the fish flavored fried shredded pork. Chinese name called 鱼香肉丝. The main ingredients we need a piece of pork loin and soaked and raised blackwood ear mushroom, just not too much, just some, and some carrots, and one green pepper. You can use the belly pepper, it's all up to you, and two green onion scallion, 1 tablespoon of ginger, and a few cloves of garlic. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the green onion, we cut the root off. This green onion already washed and pick the dead leaves. Cut from middle. We just cut it small, as small as this. So this is the green onion we get. This is the garlic. We cut the root, the bottom part off. Don't need it. That's right. Now we smash the garlic like this. Okay. Now we chop it. Chop it. This is the garlic we get. We add it with the green onion. We also the ginger already chopped. The chopped ginger. We just need 1 tablespoon chopped ginger. Okay, we cut the green pepper. This green pepper cut it from like this, the middle. So keep going. Okay. Then we get this part off and the seeds off. We don't need those. We don't need the seeds. Now we just slice the ginger, the green. Slice the green pepper, do like this, as thin as possible. It will be like this, press cut as thin as possible. This is the green pepper we get. Okay, we cut the carrots. These carrots already washed. We cut this part off, and the small part is off. The part off. Okay. Now we slice it. We slice it like this. So the final will be like this. Those carrots we get. Okay, we cut the soaked and raised blackwood ear mushroom. You can see the mushroom. This part, I don't know if you can see it. This part is connected to the wood. So this part we cut off. cut off. We don't eat it. We just cut it through it. And the same thing to this one. You can find it. Okay. Now we put them together and hold it like this. Now we slice it very thin. So it will be like this. See, like this, very thin. This is the black woody mushroom we get. Now we cut the pork loin. We use this pork loin, a piece of pork, cut from middle. Okay. Now we slice it. Slice it. I try to as thin as possible, like this. In meat, we can put 2 or 3 and together. Now we slice it like this. So the final meat will be like this. So the final meat will be like this. Like this.
Hey, that's a dog. Not a noise. Go to my car.
This is the pork we get. Okay, we're seasoning the meat. This is a plain salt. We add a pinch to it, don't add too much. This is a black pepper. We add a pinch to it, don't add too much. Add a pinch of black pepper to it, don't add too much. This is cooking wine. Cooking wine, we add 1 teaspoon. If you don't have cooking wine, you don't need to add it. It's all up to you. This is vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. We add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil to it. Now we use the hand to season the meat. Okay, so the meat is already seasoned. We just we will cover it and use it later. Now we make a sauce. This is a plain salt. Plain salt we add 1 teaspoon plain salt to it. This is a cornstarch. We add 1 teaspoon cornstarch to it. This is a soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is the sugar. Just the sugar. We add 1 tablespoon sugar to it. This is white vinegar. We add 2 tablespoons white vinegar to it. Add a half cup of cold tap water to it. Now we mix it. This is a chicken soup. This is the mixture. We add a pinch to it, don't too much. This is the oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. We add a few drops. That don't add too much. So the fish flavored sauce is done. The sauce is done. Turn on the stove, medium flame, we turn to 6. When the pot is hot, we add, this is a vegetable oil, we add a 1/4 cup vegetable oil to it. And rest the pot, like this. We don't need oil too hot, we add the seasoning pork into it. and stir fry. Don't let the meat stick to the pot. Now we can see the pot has a lot of liquid. We turn the fire to the high fire and stir fry until the water in the pot and gone, and just the vegetable oil and pig fat left in the pot. Now you can see the water in the pot is gone. Just the pork fat, pig fat, and the vegetable oil in the pot. You can see just the oil. We added the chopped ginger, garlic, and the green onion into it. And fry. And slowly fry until the ginger, green onion, or scallion, or garlic really good smell. And fry, don't let the pot stick to the pot, to the wok. With the ginger, garlic, and green onion really good smell. This is the chili sauce you buy from the Asian market. And you add, don't add too much or too spicy. You add 1 teaspoon of it to it. Okay, fry. Until you see the chili sauce really the oil turn to red. This is what we want. Okay, when the oil is red, we add the black woody mushroom, carrots, and the green pepper into the pot. Okay, fry. Just stir fry from the light stick to the pot. Don't let it stick to the pot. Now you can see the carrots and the pepper is cooked. Now we add the sauce to it. You need to make sure the pepper, carrots, and is fully cooked. We do the next step. If it's pot too hot, lift the pot up and then put it back. Okay. This is a fish flavored sauce we add to it. Okay. There we go. And the stir fry till sauce stick up. Okay, the sauce, you can see it. The sauce already stick up. Okay. The flavor is good. The dish is done. We turn off the stove. Now the fish flavored fried shredded pork, this dish is done. And I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.